Ever felt that sinking feeling when you realize you're locked out of something important? Like your email, your bank account, or even your credit report. Yeah, it's not fun. Today, we're tackling one of those potentially stressful situations: what to do when you can't access your Equifax account because you've forgotten your password. Now, why is accessing your Equifax account so important? Well, it's a key part of managing your financial health. Your Equifax credit report is a detailed record of your credit history, including things like your payment history, outstanding debts, and credit utilization. Lenders use this information, along with your credit scores derived from it, to determine whether to approve you for loans, credit cards, and even mortgages. Being able to access your Equifax account allows you to monitor your credit report for errors, potential fraud, and overall changes in your creditworthiness. You can also sign up for credit monitoring services through Equifax, which can alert you to suspicious activity that could indicate identity theft. So, being locked out of your account can leave you vulnerable. But don't worry, getting back in is usually a straightforward process. In this video, we're going to walk you through exactly how to reset your Equifax account password, step by step. Before we dive into the how-to, let's cover a couple of preliminary points. First, make sure you're on the official Equifax website. There are unfortunately phishing websites out there that mimic legitimate sites in an attempt to steal your information. The official Equifax website is equifax.com. Double-check the URL in your browser to be absolutely certain. Second, have some personal information handy. You'll likely need to verify your identity during the password reset process, so be prepared with things like your social security number, date of birth, and address. This is a security measure to protect your information, so it's a necessary step. Okay, now let's get into the actual password reset process. The exact steps might vary slightly depending on updates Equifax makes to their website, but the general procedure is usually as follows. Go to the Equifax website. As we mentioned, make sure you're at equifax.com. Locate the login or sign-in area. This is usually found at the top right corner of the homepage. Look for a button or link that says Login, Sign In, or something similar. Click on the Forgot Password or similar link. On the login page, you should see a link that says something like Forgot Password, Forgot User ID or Password, or Need Help Signing In. Click on this link. Enter your email address or username. You'll be prompted to enter the email address or username associated with your Equifax account. Make sure you enter the correct information. If you can't remember the email address you used, you may need to contact Equifax directly. Check your email. Equifax will send an email to the address you provided. This email will contain instructions on how to reset your password. It's important to check your spam or junk folder if you don't see the email in your inbox within a few minutes. Click on the password reset link in the email. The email from Equifax will contain a link that directs you to a password reset page. Click on this link. Create a new password. On the password reset page, you'll be asked to create a new password. Choose a strong password that is difficult for others to guess. This means using a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using easily identifiable information like your name, birthday, or address. Confirm your new password. You'll usually be asked to enter your new password a second time to confirm that you've typed it correctly. Log in with your new password. Once you've created and confirmed your new password, you should be able to log into your Equifax account using your new credentials. Now, what if you run into problems during this process? Here are a few common issues and how to address them. You don't receive the password reset email. As we mentioned, check your spam or junk folder. If it's not there, double-check that you entered the correct email address. If you're still not receiving the email, you may need to contact Equifax customer support. You can't remember the email address associated with your account. This can be tricky. If you've tried all possible email addresses and still can't figure it out, contacting Equifax directly is your best option. They will have procedures in place to help you recover your account. You're having trouble creating a strong password. If you're struggling to come up with a secure password, consider using a password manager. These tools can generate strong, unique passwords for you and store them securely. You suspect your account has been compromised. If you suspect unauthorized activity on your account, such as unfamiliar inquiries or changes to your personal information, contact Equifax immediately. They can help you investigate the issue and take steps to protect your credit. It's also worth mentioning that Equifax offers other security measures you can take, such as placing a security freeze or fraud alert on your credit report. A security freeze restricts access to your credit report, making it more difficult for identity thieves to open new accounts in your name. A fraud alert requires creditors to take extra steps to verify your identity before granting credit. These are valuable tools for protecting yourself against identity theft. Remember, regularly checking your credit report is crucial for maintaining good financial health. By being proactive and monitoring your credit, you can catch errors early, identify potential fraud, and ensure that your credit history is accurate. And knowing how to reset your password is a key part of that process. So, to recap, resetting your Equifax password is generally a simple process involving navigating to the Equifax website, requesting a password reset email, and creating a new strong password. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to contact Equifax customer support for assistance. They are there to help you regain access to your account and protect your credit information. With that said, thanks for watching, and until